Here's the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm going to show you how to use the wireless power sharing so you can charge other devices like other phones, earbuds, watches, as long as they are compatible of wireless charging, okay? So first thing is take note. I'm going to go ahead and leave my case on here because it'll still work with that as well. So let's first turn on the wireless power sharing. So just go to your settings. We're going to go to settings, and then from here we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see battery and device care. Tap on that, and then the first one up here says battery. Tap on battery. Now we're going to scroll down, and down here it says wireless power sharing. So let's tap on that right there. Now you can see you can charge it with the phone closed or open, okay? It just has to charge on this bottom side below the camera. So let me go ahead and turn this on. So it's on right now, and just really quickly I'll show you, you can have it open. These are AirPods here, Apple AirPods. They work, okay? I kind of like to have mine closed though. So AirPods, no problem. Here's Samsung Galaxy Buds. See the red light, so it's charging there. Here's my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, this new one that just came out. Oh. Okay, sometimes you're going to have to go ahead and turn it back on. Okay, wait, it still says ready to charge. Okay, maybe it's not charging because I have that case on here. Let's just skip that for now. How about a iPhone 13 Pro Max? This one is. Let's see if this one charges. No, let's put it over here. Okay, there we go. So charging there. Pull it over again. I mean, sometimes you have to find like the sweet spot. Okay, it's charging now. How about if I turn it this way? No. Move it up a little bit. No. Let's move it down a little bit. Okay. Now it is. Okay. So it's still charging there. And take note that this ring thing is kind of like a little bit elevated. But let's try this again now. Okay. So there's something. Oh, wow. It's charging now. Let me pull this off now. And let's put it this way. Okay, now it's charging. I thought I would have to take that case off. Let's do it again. Okay, now it charges with the case. Anyway, you guys got the message there. Questions or issues, just comment below.